Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. You don't see it from the outside, but underneath of one of those cupboards there is my garage for the robot vacuum cleaner that I have. Yeah, it's here. You see here some hinges in the upper corners. They hold the door. And now I'm gonna show you the garage in action. Therefore, oh man, dirt. Therefore, let me instruct Google to start the cleaning process. I do it in German. Hey Google, staubsauge die Wohnung.
Gerne.
Okay.
Deebot aus Monti 8 AIVI wird gestartet.
So, the door opens automatically. The door lifting mechanism inside will hold the door open for half a minute, which is enough time for the robot to leave the docking station. Let me show you the mechanism inside. So this is the door lifting mechanism. It's fully 3D printed. Behind there you see there is a tiny little NEMA stepper motor. The focus does not work that good. Alright. Some more electronics here. Docking station itself. A tiny, can you see it? This is the force resistance sensor. I use this to indicate with a signal that the robot is about to return home to the charging dock. Okay. So of course I can also return the robot back to the docking station. So therefore I now say, hey Google, schick den Staubsaugerroboter zurück zur Ladestation. And automatically the door opens again. And now it will wait for at maximum 3 minutes, which is enough time for the robot to return. Robot is now here. It's trying to find his way home. Nah, don't follow me. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, he noticed the docking station. He drives over the ramp. Okay. And parking completed. Yo, that's my automated garage door for the robot vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching.